Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up? Welcome back with another video. Yeah, y'all remember this car. I know y'all remember this car. It's been a while since I came on the channel. My car is done. It's driving. I'm happy. Yeah, it's been a while. Ooh, it's been a while since I came on the channel. Yep, it's been a while. So, now that I'm trying to get back on the channel, I guess I could give y'all a quick walk around the Integra. So I don't even remember. I was looking through my YouTube channel today. I don't remember where I left off, but let me tell you, been going through some things. But I want to give a shout out to a lot of people that helped me out with the Integra. Big shout out to my man Butters. You already know. Gave me the trans. He let me use a couple things for now. I still got to get some things on this car. I still got to give him back his trans. He needs a couple of his things back. But other than that, the car running dry. We driving today, baby. Yeah, you know what I mean? I got my safety equipment. You heard? Bump box. Steering wheel. You know we going to need that. But I give y'all a quick walk around. I put the Recaros, if y'all remember, they was in my SI. I actually got them test fitted when I was at the shop. I got them in. Slick hooked me up from Tri-State. NRG kit. Sparko steering wheel. Oh, my father actually started my rear seat delete. So shout out to Pops. Got the Willwoods on here, you heard? I actually had a stock manifold, if you guys remember. Actually, no, you guys don't remember. Jesus Christ, it's been that long. I had a mock-up kit the last time I vlogged this car. And I have a full motor that works, drives, and everything. Like, everything is in. Radium, fuel rail. That's my brother's. I got to give him that. Butters. Thanks again, you know, bailing me out once again. 90mm throttle body. Skunk 2 radiator. I am going a little bit thicker. I don't think this is thick enough, but we're going to go a little bit thicker. What else we got on here? My brother gave me the slip wheels. Butters, once again. I can't thank this guy enough, for real. Tyson decide nothing crazy. Oh, let me show y'all some heat. Yo, this shit is dope. Slick, big shout out to you, dog. Thank you. For real. Hit him up. He actually make these. He can make them in different colors. Whatever you want to do. I don't even know if y'all can really see too good of that, but y'all gonna see. I ain't got worry about it. I'm using the GoPro to film now. I'm trying to get back into vlogging. Right now I got that covered, but I'm about to actually show it somehow, some way. I've been studying Evans tuning online, so since I can't really do too much mechanic work, everybody's been working on my car. My boy was just over here not too long ago. He was actually helping me install this thing. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I ordered that shit from Amazon. I had nothing. Yo, I had this coolant bottle sitting in the corner over here like this, collecting coolant. It worked though, but I wanted like a clean reservoir, so I ordered it off of Amazon. It works for now. I'm about to head over to Grant. Grant got a little shop. Left this bulb in the middle for me to run over. But yeah, Grant got a little nice little spot for himself. He's gonna try to do me an intake. I'm gonna try to bring it down, bring it over here, try to face the duct. So all the air, when all the air come in, come over here, come over there, and then take it go, and then you see what happens. But yeah, I mean, what time is it? 5:44. He told me to come at 7:30. Oh man, yeah, I'm happy this hood is light. Oh, carbon, baby, you already know. I gotta get a zip tie for this. This broke on my boy the other day. I got a new one coming on the way. So, oh well. Yes, sir.
should be somewhere there.
Yo, open the hood, yo. Let me see what's going on up under here, yo. But what size turbo you got? Or you don't really know?
GT2560R. I'm just running wastegate right now, so it's like 8 pounds.
What's the max PSI can you run on that?
I think it's like 20 some. I forget. But I'm not trying to push that much. I'm trying to maybe like 14, 15 max.
Nah, yo, this shit's actually mint. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like,
thank you, man. Thank you.
for what it is too, yeah.
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 Dude, I did all that shit in my driveway. So.
That's how you do it. Backyard bills is the best bills.
Yeah, man.
Let's do it.
Yo, Ray.
Vlogging right now?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. Go get to work, dog. You said show the weld? Right where?
Under.
Nah, I want to show that one. See what Grant or yo, I heard you fucked up though. How? It looked fine to me.
Oh no, there's only that one spot.
Oh wait.
Fucking fly.
Oh, the fly. Yeah, with V-bands, you barely need hangers. Oh,
I don't even want to put that steel rod because it's gonna rust. If you want, I'll go to the car station tomorrow and fix it up.
Man, this is dope. Grant looked at mine already. We're going. It's kind of dark, so he looked at my car. We're gonna put an intake head, come down, do like 230 degrees or something. We're gonna come to the air duct. So he looked at it already. It's, you know, chilling here with these guys, checking this car out. Yo, this is sick though. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this is sick. Turbo Miata, yo, if I had this car, I definitely would be in jail right now, for sure. My boy Carlos over here.
Yeah.
It's just nice. Grant putting in work, dog. Sheesh. Yeah, you see the scales, dog. Yeah, Carlos almost done. This is going all-wheel drive. It look good though. Look good, Carlos. Nah, you gonna have to get rid of these though, dog. Get rid of these wheels. You gonna have to put full blowns on this. This is Grant's car. Let me turn on the light for this one. I seen this car get built from at when he used to work at Honda. This car is freaking beautiful. Jay's Racing Wing. Oh, this trunk light as hell. Yeah, nah, he did his thing with this one. He built this one himself, like literally. He just sent it off to get paint. Got Ragas on there. Brembo, feel me? So he just put the short block back together. He coming back. Come back soon. Yo, how do you even make it up to this shit? Yo. Yeah, you might as well at that point. My bad if this video is like all over the place, but let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what you think about that Miata. That Miata was actually dope. I'm not even gonna lie. I never really been into Miatas, but I know like they're fun cars to drive. Like I drove one myself, and it was right-hand drive. The first Miata I ever drove was right-hand drive, which was kind of weird to me, and that was my first right-hand drive car I ever drove. But anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. Integra's running. My boy came over the other day. It's actually Mother's Day, by the way. Well, no, I'm sorry. It's Monday. Yesterday was Mother's Day. I didn't have an ending to this video, so I figured might as well end it now. Yeah, my boy put the new latches in. They work very beautifully. Pops up, hood, pickup, raise, smooth. He left the damn key under there. I'll get that later. He put the shims here. So, you know, last time, when I first started this, when I was at the shop and I drilled the holes, I drilled them too big, so he found a way to, you know, cover it up. It looks decent for now. I might spray them gray or something, or have Grant do something. But other than that, yeah, Grant found out what he was gonna do with the intake. Close smoothly. Oh, we got some meat. Pause. But we got meat. Proxy all with NOS, baby. Can't wait to throw these on. These are going on 16. Yeah. Whenever I'm ready to throw them on, I just gotta get my sister to load them up in the daily, and then we out. We gonna throw them on, and then I got some things coming. Well, I got the tire lettering coming for that. I need to get some PCI side skirts or something. But yeah, we gonna have content this year. I'm coming back. I'm coming back for sure. So stay tuned, and yeah, pretty much. Catch y'all on the next one. See ya.